Hey, to set custom song as a ringtone on the CMF Phone 1, basically how to set custom ringtone, all you have to do is just open the settings, then you will have to go into the sound and vibration. Now open the phone ringtone and select here add new sounds. Now you will be redirected into this Google Drive, but let me just rotate my phone. There we go. And now we can actually search between your downloads, phone storage, or Google Drive. So in my case, I've got something on my Google Drive. So I can go here and search for some items. But if I cannot find anything, I can go, for example, into my downloads. And if I have here any sounds, I can just select them and set as a ringtone. It will be visible here. So after this, you will have to select this and click save. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.